Formatting of cells makes the cells more attractive and visible. I'm going to enter some data and let's format that cells. We can do some basic formatting to these cells. Here some text are expanded to other cells. We want to adjust the space. So increase the width of cells. In order to format the text, go to the Home tab and in the Font section, we can change the font size. So this is the title. Let's do some formatting to the title. Select the cell and if you want to change the font, select any of them. We can select the font size. The default font size is 11. And we can increase and decrease font size here also. Here we can make the text bold, italic, underline or double underline. Let's do the same to these text also. We can add a border to the data. So select the text and choose the border. We can give background color to the text using fill color. Click the drop down arrow. There is two types of colors, theme color and standard color. In the page layout tab, there is an option for themes. Here the currently active theme is Office. So this is the Office theme color. We can change the theme color by choosing another one from the page layout tab. We can compare colors with each other. If I select the gallery theme, the Office theme color is changed to gallery theme. Pick a color for the font. In the alignment group, these three options are for top align, middle align and bottom align. We can place the text in top, middle or bottom. These three options are for align the content to the left, center and right. We can make them center aligned. This is orientation. Rotate your text diagonally and vertically. And these are decrease indent and increase indent. This will move your content closer to the cell border or away from the cell border. This is wrap text. If our text extended to other cells, we can use wrap text to see the whole text in one cell. If the text is spans to multiple columns, we can merge it. If I want to merge these cells, select those cells and merge and cells. This is how we can do the basic formatting of cells.